Tajikistan is Pakistan's close neighbor, a good friend, and a dear brother. The bonds of kith and clan and culture and commerce tie the Tajik and Pakistani nations in an abiding relationship. Across the vast Eurasian landmass, nations and peoples have interacted and amalgamated, communicated and collaborated, progressed and prospered for many. Our abiding ties today have happily assumed the shape of SCO. SCO is not just a regional platform, but a fulcrum representing the hopes, the aspirations, the dreams and expectations of nearly half of humanity. Animated by the Shanghai spirit, SCO affords the right template to reimagine the future in the image of the past. Mr. Chairman, the need for conduct of international relations based on time-honored principles of mutual trust and mutual respect, shared aspirations and acceptance of diversity resonate now more than ever. The world today finds itself in a state of flux. Forces of coercion and unilateralism are on the rise. Terrorism, regional and international conflicts, climate change, inequitable growth, and protectionist impulses are imperiling global trade and world peace.